Okay, we got 4 pounds of shrimp. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make Yoli's bomb-ass aguachiles. So the first thing we do is we take the shell off. So I just pull the shell off. Clean it up. After they're clean, we just slice them in half. Now that we cut them all in half, and we cleaned them up, both sides, this is 4 pounds of shrimp cleaned. The next thing we have to do, here it is. Now we're going to cure it with lemon juice. So we have a lemon tree in the backyard. We already brought these in. So these lemons are fresh. We just picked them. Okay, yesterday we cut these lemons, and we just squeeze them in here. We're going to cure this with lemon juice. Okay, we have some lemon juice in here. So let's go ahead and get the shrimp. We'll cure it in the lemon juice. So first we're going to rinse it. So let's go ahead and rinse it. Go ahead and rinse it real good. What we're going to do now is we're going to put it in lemon juice to cure. So put it in lemon juice. Make sure that the lemon is fully submerged in the lemon juice, because like I said, again, this is how we're cooking it. We're curing it. We're not going to boil it, so if you need some more juice, just add some more juice to it. Okay, now we're going to flavor it. Going to put 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of garlic salt. Then just mix it. Okay, now we're going to put it in the fridge and let it chill for 3 hours. We're going to go ahead and chop up our jalapenos, our cilantro, our cucumbers, onions. Okay, now we're going to make the chili part. So you get like a bush of cilantro. You cut it up into small pieces. And your jalapenos, they're like 9 jalapenos. You want to make it. Now you don't take the seeds out, leave the seeds in. This is what we're going to blend this in the blender. Cilantro cut. Now we're going to put this in the blender. Here. Put about a cup of water. Okay. Go ahead and blend it. Cut them real thin. Okay. I just had it here for a while. I'm going to go ahead and put the onions in now. It's been curing for a good hour, so let's go ahead and add some onions to it. See here. Let's put this back in there and let it chill a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get like 5 or 6 cucumbers here.
Para que no te quede muy difícil para cortarlo.
Just remove the seeds like that. All you have to do. Okay?
Hey, limpia bonito.
We'll put this aside right here. We'll put that aside. And then right when we're ready to serve, we'll put that in. We'll put that in. If we have to add some more lemons, we go in my backyard and pick some more. Or we got some right here that I picked already. Okay, it's been in here for a while. It's already cured. So it's now time to add our final ingredient. Here's the sauce that we made. Look at that. That's the sauce. So we take this and this. Put this chili sauce in. Mix it in. This is what's gonna give it the final. So a lot of that's lemon juice there, guys. Mix it in. Final ingredient. Okay. We're gonna put in our cucumbers. Like I said, this shrimp is fully cured in lemon juice. This is Aguachiles, guys. So okay. Let's give this a try. So, you can eat this with tostadas, crackers, some good chips, good corn chips. You can put it on a tostada like this. This is Aguachiles. This is my wife's recipe. She showed me how to make it. This is good stuff, guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make Yoli's bomb-ass Aguachiles. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Ok. Como lo tienes que partir es así. A mí me gusta así. Mira. Así.
Okay.
¿Ok? Así de verdad. No lo hagas muy grueso porque cuando la gente lo está comiendo
¿Sí?
muy feo. No, no. La cebolla la tienes que tener así.
Okay. Okay, now we start slicing our...
Muy grueso, vato.
¿Sí? Oh, shit. It's a blooper. Okay. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make Yoli's bomb-ass. What's it called? Aguachiles? Okay. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to make Yoli's bomb-ass Aguachiles. Cut! There it is there.
Don't let nobody go in Rocio's room.
Wait, that was my daughter, Mariah. She was like asking nobody to go in Rocio's room.
I'm sorry.
All right.